Alright, we need to screw the hot end in. Make sure it is in the right orientation. You can see here there are two little screw holes here. You want to make sure those are facing towards you. On this side there is only one screw hole. Just pick this side with two screw holes and basically thread the nozzle in. Be careful to not strip the threads and don't do it all the way. Now what you want to do is you want to grab this little piece here, grab the shorter end of it and screw it into the other side. Now you want to make sure that it's not up against it completely, and you want to screw the nozzle in until it butts up against that fitting, and just tighten it up. Not too tight, don't want to strip the threads. After that, you can grab your E3D V6 heatsink, here we go, and screw it on, making sure not to bend it. Don't over tighten it. And now what you want to do is grab the heating cartridge, here we go, and you want to have it facing like this. It depends on the orientation, you can do it both ways, like that or like that. I'll just do it this way. And now what we want to do is grab the little M3 screw. There are also grub screws in the kit. You want to grab the M3 screw and the little hex wrench Allen key and just tighten that. And do not over tighten it, as you can destroy the heater block. Make sure it's tight enough though that it won't come loose so you don't have any fires. Now what you want to do is grab your thermistor. Here we go, that's the thermistor, and whatever way you want to put it in, just put it in. And now you'll notice that there is a little hole here, and you'll want to grab the grub screw. It's hard to get in there, but once you do, you just want to grab the smaller Allen wrench and thread it in that hole. Being careful, again, not to over tighten it. I'll just do it off there and thread it in the hole. But be very careful when you do this, as if you do it too tight, you can actually bend the heater cartridge, and that won't be good at all. So yeah, here we go. See, I accidentally did it not tight enough, so let's just do that again. Grab the Allen wrench and tighten that up. Sorry about it being off camera. Just tighten that up. Alright, now that shouldn't come loose. Just double check it 1 or 2 times. You can also put it on its side and do it like this. But do not over tighten the little grub screw on the thermistor, or you will destroy the thermistor basically. Let's just see that none of it comes out. That's good. Give it a small tug. Now what you want to do is grab the little fitting here, this black fitting, and you're going to have to pop it into this heater block, the heatsink, and then grab the provided PTFE tube. This is for the direct drive. This came with my direct drive kit, and you just want to push it in tight enough. Just make sure it can't go anymore, and you'll notice the PTFE can't come out. It's stuck there with this little fitting. You've also got the silicone heater block. That's another benefit. If you get the a genuine E3D V6, it comes with a nice heater block cover, a silicone cover. Let's just pop that on here. You will need to push it across the corners, but once you do, It's pretty easy. Now it does come with a zip tie. I won't be doing this yet until I install it on my printer. And also you have the little fitting to go with the thermistor. You basically just need to plug it in, find the right orientation, and plug it into the thermistor. You also have the fan shroud, sorry about that. Fan shroud, now what you need to do is, you will notice there is a little notch. I'll just get that on camera. You can see there's a little notch here that comes up. That is for the top of your heater block. So it will pop in like this with the notch facing upwards. So you can just clamp that on. Here we go. And then all you need to do is screw the fan in. Now it is a bit hard to do, so I won't be doing that on camera. But yeah, that's how you assemble your E3D V6 all metal hot end.